Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 23rd of July 2020. Let's have imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Didi used to honor guests. Sometimes she made Brahma Bhojans of 36 and 56 types for guests to enjoyment and eat and feed together with everyone, but at the same time draw attention to the detached growth via Didi take care of her economy. Didi says poor children, innocent mothers send their hard-earned money in the yajna, so do not spend any wasted expenses. Keep in mind that there should be minimum expenditure towards yourself. All facilities are for services and not for ourselves. Let's start godly versions. Sweet children, this life of yours is very, very valuable because you are now serving the world according to Srimad. You are making this hell into heaven. Question: what is the reason why your happiness disappears and how can you resolve that? Answer: your happiness disappears when you become body conscious. When you have doubts in your heart, this is why Baba advises you, whenever any doubts arises, instantly ask Baba about it. Practice being soul conscious and you will remain constantly happy. Essence for Dharana. First point: do physical and subtle service and experience limitless happiness and also give others this experience. Have a great royalty in your behavior and your food and drink. Second point: in order to claim a high status in the land of immortality, become pure and also imbibe divine virtues, check your chart to see how much you remember Baba. Check that you are accumulating an imperishable income for yourself. Make your ears pure so that you are able to imbibe everything. Blessing: may you constantly be fearless, conquerors of Maya who observe the games of Maya as detached observers. Description: from time to time, the stage of you children progresses. Similarly, let there now not be any attack of Maya. Let Maya come to salute you, not to attack you. Even if Maya does come, observe her as though in a game. Experience her as though you are watching a limited game as a detached observer. No matter how fearsome the form of Maya is, if you see her as a toy in a game, you will have a great pleasure. You won't then be afraid of her. The children who, as player, observe the games of Maya as detached observers, remain constantly fearless and become conquerors of Maya. Slogan: become such an ocean of love that anger cannot come close to you. Om Shanti.